Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use trim command is today discuss here, and trim command is a okay and trim command is a today discuss here wireframe and surface design. Okay, wireframe and surface design topic is discussed here, and two command is a very important. First is split and second is trim. Previous lecture is a split is discussed here, and today discuss here a trim command. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a trim command is used. At first some drawing a 2D sketch and then use a trim command. Okay, because trim command is 3D command, and some surface design a 2D command, 2D drawing. Okay, at first drawing a spline, and spline drawing this and this. Okay, this is a this, and this is exit extrude, and this both is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay and this plane is select here and draw a circle. Okay, anywhere draw a circle. Okay, exit, and then use a extrude, and this plane is select here. Okay, this is a increase and this is a increase. Okay, and material is select here, and this is a material is a this. Okay, this two body is a join here. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a okay, and this at first this is join first, and second is a join here. Okay, this body is a join here. At first this is a correct. At first this body and this body is a add mode. Okay, not add, no problem, but this command is a trim. Okay, trim command is use. Okay, color is a this is use a color separate color. This is a pink, and this is a color is a this color is a blue. Okay, this is correct. Okay, and this curve is a hide, and also this curve is a hide. Okay, this plane is also hide because okay, this plane is a also hide because drawing a perfect and some use a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and guys, use a trim command, and trim command is a use. Then at first trim this and use a this. Okay, this is a perfect and previous. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, and this is a correct. Okay, and a split command is discussed here, and double click here, and other side next element. Okay, this is a next element other side, and other side previous element. Okay, this is a previous element. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, and other side is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and guys, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a double click here, and other side is a correct here. Okay, this use a and this. Okay, this use a this. Okay, this. Okay, this is correct. Okay, and this is a very important. Okay, and this color is also, this is a blue pink color, and this is a color is a this color. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, zoom. Okay, this is a perfect, guys. Okay guys, trim command is discussed here, and next lecture is coming soon. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily. Guys, any doubt today this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.